You're not allowed to open them till you collect them all.
How many are there?
I lost track.
Oh, Lord.
There's a lot. But she hit them really well.
Are they in here?
They're not in the baby room, and they're not in this stuff right here. Ella! You can't tell him where it is. Don't tell him. It's a secret. So did you hear me? Baby room. There's none in the baby room, and there's none right here.
Okay.
Right here. And that stuff. Don't
Out
tell
there?
Ella. Shh. Don't give him any hints. Dang, he's good. See, he doesn't need any help. He's gonna need help later, though. They're not all that easy. Ella, shh. Ella, loose lips. Ella! Shush! Come on, we'll make you sit in a room.
Hey, where?
Don't tell him. Maybe she's tricking you now.
Oh.
Ella! Stop! Stop telling them where they are. I'm gonna tape your lips together, loose lips.
Keep looking in here.
Mm-mm. I think that's all. Is that all in there? You would know, Ella. Don't tell him anymore, okay?
Did you say Ella's room?
We're not saying. Are we, Ella? We're not gonna say a thing.
It'd be hard to find
Ella.
anything in here.
Ella. He's gotta find them. That's not it. No, don't look at her. You want to see yourself?
I need to get my polar bear.
Can you get your polar bear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hmm?
It's probably in plain sight, isn't it?
I don't think there's any more in there. Was that all that was in there, Ella?
Is there more than one in here?
Where's the other one in there? I think that might have been it in here. You can talk now. You have to whisper. Ella, stop.
got an amazing memory.
Yeah. Ella, don't tell him. Don't tell him. Let him find him.
What? That's the last one?
There's more, but I think that might be the only one in here. Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
I didn't say come on, Dad.
He missed it.
There's one. The snake, it would have bit me.
She's so fast. She's so fast. Is that that?
Nope, he missed. He's walking right by one.
You missed the white one. White the grass.
Little booger bear.
She's so funny.
Shh, shh, don't you say anything.
Did I miss any?
Yep.
There's some more.
Where?
I can find some for you.
Where's the big one?
The big one?
Don't tell him.
What room?
What room is the big one in?
I know.
Hey. Shh, don't tell him. You can tell him where the one.
Dad?
There, that one over there. Remember that one over there? Not there. Not there.
In a drawer.
There's no more drawers.
There's one more in here.
You heard her. Daddy heard you. Here. That was a good hint, though.
No, that's my squirrely.
You gave him a good hint.
That's my squirrel.
Oh, they're squirrely.
Squirrely.
Whoa.
Do you have that one?
Mm-mm.
Is there any more, Ella? Where?
Where?
I don't know. I think that might be it. Let's review.